Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. My name is Garima Arora and I'm a senior immigration consultant with UK Visas and we specialize in UK immigration law. Today our video will cover a popular inquiry topic of switching from a Tier 2 ICT visa to the skilled worker visa. Pre-1st of December 2020, those on a Tier 2 ICT visa were not allowed to switch to a Tier 2 general visa. Those wishing to switch were subjected to a 12-month cooling off period. This meant that either you had to be in the UK on a completely different visa category, such as Tier 4 for 12 months, or you left the UK for 12 months and then came back in on the Tier 2 general visa. The only exception to the rule were those earning 159,600 per annum or above, and then they could switch to a Tier 2 general visa without being subjected to the cooling off period. Even then, they had to leave the UK and come back in on the Tier 2 visa. From 1st of December 2020, those on ICT visa have been given the ability to switch to the skilled worker visa route. The application to switch can be made in country and you will not be subject to any sort of cooling off period. Your current employer or a new employer can issue you with a new certificate of sponsorship under the skilled worker visa category, and a new visa application will need to be made with the Home Office. There's several advantages for you to switch from a Tier 2 ICT visa to a skilled worker visa. The main advantage is that it gives you the ability to settle in the UK. So after being on the skilled worker visa for 5 years continuously, you can apply for indefinite leave to remain and then ultimately British citizenship. Your PBS dependents can extend their current visa under this category. So if they have some validity on their BRP already for, let's say, another year or 2 years, they can remain on the visa currently and then extend later on. This will save you some initial cost and then they can do the extension applications later on. You will not be required to leave the UK to make the application. Under Tier 2 ICT, your job role would have had to meet the RQF Level 6 requirements. With the skilled worker visa, the minimum requirement is RQF Level 3. So your job should easily qualify for this visa and it's already been accepted by the Home Office previously. In terms of the minimum income requirement, under the skilled worker visa route, the minimum requirement is 25,600 compared to the ICT visa where the minimum has to be 41,500. Your employer will also not need to carry out any resident labour market test to switch you into the skilled worker visa category. Therefore, switching should be relatively easy. And as the priority services are back, you can get a decision very quickly from the Home Office once an application has been submitted and the biometrics enrolled. There's few things you should watch out for before making the application. So those who have spent 5 years in the last 6 years under the ICT visa route, they won't be able to switch to a skilled worker visa. You will have to prove your English language competency before making the application. You will have to pay the visa fees again, and your dependents will also have to pay a visa fee when they make their extension application. The time you have acquired under the Tier 2 ICT visa, you can't use that towards 5-year settlement route. However, you can use it under the 10-year long residency ILR route. I hope this video was informative for those who wanted to gather more knowledge in this area or were thinking of making the switch from their ICT visa to a skilled worker visa. If you have any questions or you would like our assistance with your visa application, please do contact us through our website, email, or our phone number for a free consultation. And thank you for watching.